Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello bakers! In this video I will explain how to make cupcakes without vanilla. It's a fun challenge to explore new flavors beyond the traditional. We'll discover how to replace vanilla extract with exciting alternatives like almond extract, citrus zests, or even a hint of coffee. These simple swaps can transform your cupcakes, offering a fresh and delightful taste experience that will surely impress your friends and family. Get ready to bake something truly special. When substituting vanilla, precision is key to achieving the perfect balance of flavors. For potent extracts like almond, start with about 1/2 the amount of vanilla your recipe suggests. If you're using fresh lemon or orange zest, you can be a bit more generous, perhaps adding 1 to 2 teaspoons for a vibrant citrus kick. Remember, you can always add a little more, but it's hard to take it away, so start small and adjust to your taste. The baking process for vanilla-free cupcakes remains largely the same as your usual recipe. Preheat your oven to the specified temperature, typically 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and prepare your cupcake liners. Fill each liner approximately 2/3 full to allow for proper rising without overflowing. Bake for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. This ensures they are perfectly cooked through and deliciously moist. Now for the exciting part, pairing your unique cupcakes with the perfect frosting. If you've made lemon cupcakes, a tangy cream cheese frosting or a bright lemon buttercream would be absolutely delightful. For almond-flavored cupcakes, consider a rich chocolate ganache or a simple, elegant powdered sugar glaze to highlight the nutty notes. Experiment with different combinations to discover your new favorite dessert. Enjoy your delicious, vanilla-free creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.